Welcome to Almont Homes, a family-owned and operated company that's been building outstanding homes and neighborhoods for over 50 years. How do they do it? Let's find out.
Our family's been doing this for a long time. We've built 6,000 homes in over 200 communities. I have moms, aunts, cousins, sisters, and even my own children have helped out with the company.
Beckett Ranch is one of their newest and largest master-planned communities in the heart of Gwinnett. With over 500 lots, there are floor plans for every taste.
Well, the core belief at Almont Homes is we like to preserve the land when we come in and put a community. So almost everything that we do has conservation space. We develop communities for first-time buyers to active adults. So we have traditional two-story plans, ranches, and master on the mains. One of the big things today is a living room doesn't really make sense to folks. They often want flex space for a gym, home office. The other big space that people really like to do is get rid of that two-story great room and use that space as a media room, place for family to play. We take great pride and joy in giving families a safe community to grow up in.
Today, we're in the beautiful community of Sierra Lake.
Sierra Lake is a private gated community with 35 acres of conservation space in the middle, with a beautiful resort-style pool and clubhouse on the point, surrounded by a family activity area. We have what we call the barn with bocce ball courts, kids sports facilities, a frisbee golf course, and a boat dock. We're in the Charleston plan, our largest two-story home. We have a two-story foyer, large great room with stone fireplace, a chef's kitchen, GE cafe appliances, porch tops, beautiful 5-inch hardwood plank floors. All of our plans feature a large master suite with a decorative ceiling. This one has an extra seating area with an optional fireplace. And these lovely barn doors lead to the master spa. The kids' bedrooms are connected with a Jack and Jill bath. It's great, it has dual vanities and a separate shower area. The open media room is one of the highlights of our home. It's a great place for the family to get together at the end of the day and just relax. Our chef's kitchen is the heart of the home, with a large dine-in island open to the great room and next to outdoor living space.
Many of the standard features you've just seen are costly upgrades for most builders, but not with Almont.
Well, Almont's belief is that we can build a house for each buyer. So we have 3 specific packages. The reserve package is in every house that we build. That's how we start. This particular house has the luxury package. By having packages, it's very cost effective for us to put lots of options in the house and be able to discount them to the buyer. Almont Homes believes in energy efficiency, so we use quality construction products to create a tight envelope on the house. That way you're not paying to heat and cool outside. Other items that we include are Energy Star appliances, LED lighting throughout, high efficiency water heaters and furnaces.
With over 6,000 beautiful and impressive homes in their portfolio, they know that a home is more than just a place to live. It's where life happens.
Hey, welcome to your new home. Come on in.
To find out more about how Almont Homes can help you achieve the pride of home ownership, visit almonthomes.com and designingspaces.tv.